Hello, today is August 3rd. Yesterday was 5 weeks since my underbite surgery. Um, I haven't really been making videos just because of the fact that I haven't really seen anything different or had anything to show you guys. I went to my surgeon today. I was supposed to have my screws removed, but he decided to wait even though I'm not using them. So I'm gonna show you my bite. I also have the screws that they took out last time. I've already had 5 screws taken out because they've gotten loose, so I only have 3. So I'll show you that after I show you my bite. And here's a screw right here. And the other ones are down here. There's one. The other one is right there. This right here is my my stitch from surgery. So last time I went, when I had my buttons removed, I saw that they were gonna throw them away. So I asked if I could keep them so I could show you guys. So here is one of the screws. Show you the front. So basically, these are what I have in my mouth. They take them out with the screwdriver. They just inject you with some anesthesia and they take it out. So this is what they are. I'd say they're maybe about the size of my fingernail. Just so you guys can kind of get an idea of how big they are. And I mean, they took out 2, so I have 2. As far as swelling goes, I think right now I'm swollen right here. I believe it was 2 days ago. I couldn't sleep, and I guess I slept wrong, and I woke up with this cheek more swollen, so it's kind of gone down. But I think it's practically almost all gone. So far, it's been good. I'm allowed to take off my rubber bands to brush my teeth. I can only open about maybe this much. Actually, can show you guys. I have 4 of these. The last one is way back here. Hard to take it out. This one right here. I'll take it out right now, but I'm just going to show you guys how far I can open right now. That is maybe the most I can open it. It's really not that big. It might look like it's big, but my toothbrush actually barely goes in there, and the angle that it's in is really weird. So it's not that big, even though it looks like it. The size of my rubber bands These are the gorilla ones. I actually have them right here. These are the ones my orthodontist gave me. The ones the surgeon gave me were the chipmunk size, so they were really smaller. But when I saw him today, he didn't say anything about these being too big, so I don't think that's a problem. I can already put my trays in, my Invisalign trays in. They do fit. I thought they weren't gonna fit because this tooth seems to have gone